Hi, this is Tom. Today, let's review this platinum fountain pen. Let's compare its size with the sizes of these two pens, Lamy 2000 and Pelican 205. We can see the size is similar to this Lamy 2000. It's also a full-size pen. Okay, next let's take a closer look at this pen. This pen is called 3776 platinum pen. Maybe it's also called this century pen. The color is blue. They have a name for this blue. It's called Chartres. So Chartres, I think, is the name of a church. So in that church, there's some very beautiful blue color glass, I think. So they just mimic the blue glass of that church. So this pen body is plastic and it's very well made, and it has a gold chain. So here we can see made in Japan, and then it's the number 3776. It should be the height of the Fuji mountain in Japan. So it says platinum. Platinum is one of the three major pen makers in Japan. The other two are Sailor and Pilot. So all three pen makers are very good pen makers. So this is the nib. So the nib is 14K gold nib. It also has 3776 on it and a P. That P means platinum. So this is F nib. Take off this barrel. I used this cartridge, this platinum cartridge, a very good one, very solid. And the ink, I think, is black blue or blue black. This pen is very well made, beautiful. And next, let's take get some writing samples of this pen. So it's platinum. So this is fine. You can see this fine is finer than Lamy's extra fine, actually. Platinum, this usually they have this number 3776. So century. Fountain pen. The color is called Chartres blue. A very nice color. This blue, is one of the best blues colors, I think. But how many best blue colors? Many, okay. And it has a gold chain. They should also have some silver chain, gold chain. So the ink is platinum blue black. So ink is platinum. black blue. It's still blue color, but it's dark. Okay, next let's write a proverb. A leopard cannot change its spot. A person cannot change its character, especially bad characters. Okay, that's true. So that's why we need to have some good habits. That's very important. But a pen can change its color. So Platinum and Sailor, those Japanese pen makers, they make very good nibs and feeds, I think. So basically, they make a very good fountain pens, but they change the colors of their fountain pens a lot, especially in recent years. So a leopard cannot change its spot, but a pen can change its barrels and colors. After changing, they are still very good fountain pens. This is also one of the best fountain pens in the range of around $100, and maybe now it's a little more. So the nib is not as smooth as Lami's pen and the Pelican's pen, but it's still smooth. Just it has different feelings with these two German pens. So I think because Japanese are different than Germany or English, so it's made to not only write English, but also write Japanese and Chinese. So it cannot be too smooth. Otherwise, it's not good for writing Japanese and Chinese. But there's this kind of nibs are still very good for writing English. So basically, if you want to, if you only need to write English, I think this pen is, you can just buy this pen. If you need to write not only English, but also Chinese or Japanese or Korea, I think, or many other Asian languages, maybe this pen is better, because this pen is not that smooth, so you have a better control of writing complicated characters. Okay, this is a review of this Platinum 3776 Century fountain pen. Thank you.